Good evening, everybody. It's Monday night, my friends, and I'm back and ready to jump in and get back to some coding. Well, what semblance of coding I'm doing, trying to get the installer up to speed here. Welcome on in, everybody. Welcome. I hope everyone is has had a good weekend. Has had a good start to your week. And happy and healthy and all of those things, my friends. So I wouldn't be starting a stream if I didn't yawn. Damn, every time I start a stream. I guess it must be I don't say anything for most of the day, and then as soon as I start a stream, I start to talk, and then suddenly it's just like the yawn comes out. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't understand. Coffee's still too hot too. But welcome on in, everybody. Welcome. So when we last left off, working on the installer here, continuing to work on it. I think the big problem was just trying to figure out the layout, like where it's putting all of my stuff, what it's naming the exe, all of that, and there's a couple tweaks I want to do around that. Also, I now realize I need to pull things out of the jar file because the jar file doesn't seem to exist in any appreciable form anymore. So I need to pull the logback XML out of there so that logback will work correctly, because we got a little warning that SLF4J wasn't configured properly at the beginning, which is usually what you get when it can't find an XML file, configuring it on the class path. And what else? So there were single quotes in the app name, and I'm trying to figure out where that came from. Where did I put single quotes at that's causing that to be read that way? Because I certainly don't see that here. Oh, you know what? I bet it's automatically putting them in because I called the app name Magenta Breeze like this. Okay, so it's probably, I'll bet if I just do Magenta Breeze like that, I bet it'll be fine and won't have the single quotes in it probably. So I need to where's JPackage at here? Archive JPackage. It's matching name distribution. Export the assembled artifacts as a matching named distribution. I don't think I turned that on, but I don't need that on. I think I had that as false before, so we'll put that as false again. What else do we need here? App name, app new application and or package. Yeah, okay, so that's why it had quotes on it. It's not what I wanted. Arguments. The command line arguments pass the main class if no command line arguments are given to the launcher. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, then all that stuff. So defaults to project stereotype. What do I have for that? I should probably put that in there. Let's just say STERO stereotype. Stereotype would be desktop. Will say set that. And then other things for the image name. Name of the generate image. If left undefined, we'll use project Java group ID, project Java artifact ID, project version. That's probably fine. Archive format zip. Target JDKs. JDK. Copy main and input jars into our. Oh, it was copy jars that I did. So this other one that I changed. Yeah, change that back. Or wait, no, that was correct. I think it was. It was this one. Yeah, JPackage. I had the copy jars there as false, right? I think that's what I had. So copy jars is false. That environment variables used in launch scripts. Options passed to Java runtime. I think the one thing is I'm trying to figure out what our working directory is, or what it defaults to. Also, we're getting so the install directory just needs to be /opt, I think. Yeah, because it's putting it into that. It's putting it into its own sort of directory there. So we'll just do that. I don't know what it's doing on Windows. I'll have to look to see. But on Linux, at least, it's already creating a directory. And then there's got to be the images and stuff. So I have some. I have images that Shin was able to make very graciously for the project, so I want to get those in here too. I'm trying to see. Let's tell me files we skipped. Artifacts, files, additional files. These files will be added to the assembled archive. File sets. So I'll do the. Well, I already have the file sets, right? So I'll do another one for the whatchamacallit. So I need targets. Where do I copy it from? I guess target dists. I don't know. Maybe classes? Yeah, probably classes. Longback XML, yeah. Copy it from there, I think. So target classes. Target classes. And then what is the input directory, output, set of files, and directory to include. And just, okay, includes. So the output, the lib, along with everything else. Yeah, because I mean I have lib on the class path. I guess I could add more things to the class path too. But putting it in there is not a big deal, I don't think. No one's going to be modifying it, hopefully. So you kind of just shove it in there. And includes. This would be logback.xml. Okay. So I have that, and then I think JPackage is where I gotta do like the images and stuff, right? Runtime images. Path to runtime image. Create with JLink. Must define. No, that's not it. Application package. Path to the license file. Launcher. Oh, here we go. Linux icon. Path to the application's icon must be in PNG format. So we use default icon if undefined. Install directory. Absolute path to the installation directory of the application. Yeah. Override JPackage resources. Path to override JPackage resources. Icons, template files, and other resources of JPackage can be overridden by adding replacement resources to this directory. Is that different than the icon, I guess? JPackage resources. So what? I mean, this is great and all, but then what do I? What resources do I put in there? Like what am I overriding? Let me see something here. JPackage. Configuration environment. I guess it's must be. I'll bet there's a standard set of resource names, maybe. JPackage resources. Override JPackage resources. All right, resources used in packaging. Here we go. Resources vary by platform and describe following sections. In most cases, resources overridden with command line options take precedence over resources in the resource directory. So override resources that can't be overridden for the command line, add your customized. Okay, the verbose option. Linux all versions. Icon file, launcher PNG for the main launcher and any additional launchers. Each launcher can have a separate icon. File name must match the name of the application or the name of a launcher. If an icon file is not provided for launcher, default icon is used. Desktop shortcut file, launcher.desktop for the main launcher and any additional launchers. The file name must match the name of the application or the name of a launcher. Well, the desktop shortcut file I don't need to mess with, but the icon file I can do. So launcher, so it'd be whatever the name is. So magenta-breeze.png, and then that would do it, I guess. Let me grab the application image here from my other computer. Where's that at? I wonder if I already Did I already move that over to... I did. Okay. So I remembered to do something. that's a very good thing. So let's see if I can go to and okay, to hide this for just a second until I get to the directory. There's a shared thing here. Copy those over to development. Okay. All right. So I have these. Alright, and have that. That was dark one, and then unzip. That, and then unzip. Okay. Cool, so... I guess take the light one for these, I guess. So I need to convert the SVGs over to PNGs. So what is the icon file? Does it tell me? How big to make the icon file? I mean, I'm guessing it's like, what's the... standard application icon size. X. 128 by 128. And then they're scaled down. Okay. Guess we'll go with 128 by 128 there. So I need to... I guess open these in. Let me open this in. I wonder if I can open it with color paint. Oh, I can. Image. Resize. 128. No, 128. See how that looks. That's not what I was looking for. Okay. Let's. I mean, it looks like it definitely resized it, but it didn't actually scale it down. Oh, because I had resize. Okay. Let's try scale. Or even smooth scale? Okay. 128. 128. Alright, I mean that's good enough for me right now. Can I export it as a PNG? I can. Alright, so MB icon 128. Okay. And let's go that. And then what's the other one? What is it for Windows? Is it the same thing, maybe? .256 by 256, huh? Okay. So, image scale, say 256 by 256. Export, Magenta Breeze, icon, 56, 56. Okay, I did that. And then how about for the OS X? .1024 by 1024, huh? Okay. So be it. So 1024 by 1024. Basically 50% by 80% of its size. Okay. Say export icon 10 24 by 10, 24. Okay. So we have those. So now it's a matter of bringing that in. I'm wondering if I should do the dark one instead. To the dark, because you think people are going to be doing a lot of, because dark would still look good on a light background theoretically. I mean, it wouldn't look as good. You wouldn't see the Magenta breeze too much. Although, I guess you're not really going to see it all that much anyway. So, maybe I'm not going to worry about it for that. We'll use the dark mode for other things. For the web-based stuff. Alright, so I'm going to copy all of these. And come over here, we're going to do let's see, let's create a new folder and call it images. And I will paste those in there, but let me give them the correct names. So it was like launcher.png, so we'll say hang on, let me get new folder OSX and refactor move under there. Refactor rename. So this would be Magenta breeze PNG. Okay, and then new folder Windows. That would be 256 by 256, right? So refactor move under Windows. Refactor rename. New folder Linux. That into a Linux folder. Vector rename Magenta breeze.pg. Okay, so I have that. So that's the icon file. I'm not going to worry about the desktop shortcut file. So for Linux Dead, there's a control template control file that contains information about the application, installation script, install script that's run for application is installed, pre-removal, post-installation, and a copyright file, copyright and license information. Copyright and license information, right? Linux RPM Package name, spec, instructions for packaging application. Okay, I don't need any of those really. Mac OS, so the icon file is launcher ICNS for main launcher and any additional launchers. File name must match the name of the application or the name of the launcher. Icon file is not provided. Default icon is provided. Elements file. Okay. DMG is setup script, plist, background file, application name, background, TIFF. Background file. Drive icon. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. So it would be the application name of the launcher. Okay, so ICNS. So how do I convert PNG to ICNS on Linux? Ask Ubuntu, what is the correct way of converting more and more PNG files to ICNS files? I installed icons utils, but I'm having a hard time figuring out how to work with PNG to ICNS. PNG to ICNS file PNG. This one's PNG file you want to export as an icon. Only convert the icons that match sizes ICNS supports. Or it can use an online service. So ICNS utils. Alright. Sudo apt install ICNS utils. Okay, so we want to go to first of all, what is under that? Oh, this is something else. Let me just, you know what? Let me delete that in here so I don't screw it up. Yeah, that's a lot easier. That's a lot easier. Okay, I'm trying to get to developer. Get Images. There's X. Okay. So man PNG to ICNS. File 1, file 2, blah blah blah. Okay. So PNG to ICNS. Magenta breeze. What was it? Okay, just that. Magenta breeze. .icns. Okay. That's saved. Elements file, DMG up subscript, background file, drive icon, application name, volume, .icns, which I'm probably just going to make it the same thing. So we'll just copy this, it's here, fresh. So copy, paste as dash volume. Okay. And macOS package has light mode and dark mode. That actually takes PNGs for that. Very strange. ICNS for one thing, PNGs for the other thing. Whatever. So Windows, post image script. Custom script is executed after application image is created before the MSI installer is built for both MSI and exe packages. No default script is provided. Main Wix source file. Okay. Wix source file with Wix variable overrides. Values in this file override values in the main Wix file. Icon file, launcher ICO for the main launcher and any additional launchers. More than one file can be provided. The file name must match the name of the application or the name of the launcher. Icon file is not provided for launcher. The default icon is used in the launcher properties file. Launcher.properties. Convert PNG to ICO. Wix. Image magic. Need to convert binary. This command do from the console. Convert. Image format options. Handle the transparency of the source PNG better than the command in the other one. Define icon auto resize. So convert. Do I have man convert? Sudo apt install image magic. Image magic. There we go. Work between image formats. What did they do here? Convert your image here. Define icon. Auto resize. Define format option. Define one or more image format options. Great. Okay. Well, I'll just take it on faith that that's what I gotta do. Define icon. Auto resize. 256, 64, 48, 32. 16. What did I make the windows on? I think I made it 256 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I did, because the Linux one is 128. So then convert, define, so convert, define icon auto resize equals 256, 64, 48, 32, 16. 256, 64. Wait, 64, 48, 32, 16. 48, 32, 16. And then what you want to call it? Okay. That's ICO. Okay. I mean, that works. You know what? While I have that up, let me convert the main PNG as well. Should I do... $256. Yeah, let me do push D. Oops, okay. And oh, but I want the dark mode one. So let's open the dark mode one up and resize it. Open this up. Image, scale, smooth scale. 256 by 256. That. File. Export. MB icon. Dark. 256. 256. G. Go. And then do the convert MB icon dark fine icon auto resize is 256 64 48 32 16 icon to ICO Okay, I'll need that for later. I just figured I'd do it now. While I have the command there handy, that seemed to work. And okay, so we have that. So then what? So I just need to pass those in. I assume if I don't pass something in, it'll just take its defaults. Okay, so resource directory, path to resources. Does it? Looks like I just give it a directory, but does it? Do I just put everything in that directory as is? I wonder, do any of these clash with one another? Well, Windows is not sure. ICO, ICNS. I guess PNGs kind of, but not entirely. The names were different. I guess I just give it the whole thing and just say, here, just run with it. I need those files somewhere though. I guess I'll create a thing under dists. Yeah, so over in the POM here. Copy dependencies. Runtime, new dependency. That's not it. I have another copy thing around here. Here it is. Copy resources. Output directory. So I need another execution here. Let's say copy JPackage resource overrides. And this would go under say resources. And project build directory images. Linux, and then to Magenta, Breeze, PNG. OS X. Include the ICNS files. And then for Windows, just include the ICO files. I will go to the resources directory. So then over here, I can say, so where am I at? JPackage resource dir. What has it for Linux? Oh, it does have different ones for each one. All right, maybe I'll keep them separate just in case. So let's do damn, but that's annoying because that means it's going to be different output directories. Oof. Linux, OSX. And then Windows. up here, just need the Linux resource section there. Okay. So I got that. So then package Linux. So install the resources directory. Or was it resource directory? God, I hate that this puts freaking tabs here. Resource directory is target dist. No, not, wait, where did I put it? Damn it, why do I keep doing that? Dist resource, oh yeah, it is, okay, dist resources, Linux, okay. X. Windows. Okay. Let's see. Console false. I'll leave that now. And good there. Okay. So I need to then include the... Did I include that? Oh yeah, logback XML. Okay. So I have that in there. I guess I can just try it and see what happens here. Where are we at? Alright, classes. Okay, so maven, clean, verify. Okay. JReleaser succeeded. Hopefully. So target. Pieces. Oh wait, did it? Why didn't it copy things over? Oh, skip non-existing resource directory. Target images. Linux. Non-existing. Oh, because I did target. Nice. Dumbass. It's Because it's not project build directory, it's project base directory. I think that's what it is. Oh, it's project baster. I thought that looked weird. Baster. Like that. Yeah, okay. There we go. Let's do it again. Actually, what am I doing? Copy 2 resources, copy 1 resource, copy 1 resource. Okay, good. Good, good. So now we'll see if it includes those in the application. Okay, it looks like it succeeded. Resources. Okay, so those are in there. Symbol. Breeze. J package. Okay. Package. Purge. Magenta. Breeze. Okay. See, flash up. No, it's away. It's not there. Okay. Damn it! I should have did a push up. Damn it. There we go. Okay. So D package minus I to breeze. Oh, spell it right. Okay, push D up. Into breeze. Okay, stuff is under the one directory now, which is good. CD bin. Okay, that's now a better name. So it still didn't find SL4J still didn't find anything. I'm still getting the Duke icon though. Oh, actually, that's just my app doing that, probably. I just have to set that in the app correctly. But let me see what it looks like on the menu here. So, M. Yeah, it's still got the Duke icon. What did you run? No. Let's trace log. What did you actually run? Boy. Directory. Search. Doesn't actually tell me what it ran. So resource directory, if it sees it there. I mean, it parsed it, I mean. But it's got the PNG there. So why didn't it use it? Placement resources to this directory. So it had it there. Match the name of the application or the name of a launcher. Was it? But how? Name of an application. I mean, the app name is this. So why is it not? I wish I could see what command it actually ran. It's very, like when nothing happens, it doesn't really log too much. When no errors happen, it doesn't really log too much. I see the PNG file in there, so it found it. My guess is it's just not the right name. Which I don't really understand, because that's the name of the application. Yeah, I don't know why that's not working. It's also not... So it doesn't seem to be putting the logback file somewhere where it can be found. See, it's even under, so it made it under the lib folder here. GENTA. Yeah, I mean, it's there. I mean, maybe that's a KDE thing where it's not showing, but why is it, but it's showing Duke, so I doubt that that's that. Runtime lib. So there's the logback XML. So what's going on with that? So class path is lib. We know is working because it can see the other stuff. So then why is it saying that there's no tenders configured? Let me see here. No SLF4J providers were found. Message of warning, not error. No SLF4J providers can be found in the class path. Logging provider. Logging API, not logging implementation. Placing one. Only one of the many available providers. That classy jar and the class path will solve the problem. This is a provider. SLF4J will default to a no operation logger. But I do have Logback Classic on the class path. Right. Runtime. Yeah, Logback Classic and Logback Core are there. So, why is that saying it's not on the class path? I haven't been reading Logback XML yet because not finding a provider. The SL4J 2.0 and layer uses service loader mechanism. Service provider is identified by placing provider configuration file in the resource directory metainf services. The file's name is fully qualified binary name and services type. Defining as a concrete provider class is one per line. Demand service loader maintains a cache of providers that have been loaded so far. Communication iterator. Okay. Guess I can because it's launching it with that particular class path. It has to be because it's seeing stuff, but SLF4J is not seeing logback on the class path, even though it's in the same directory. So why is that? Java int parent class path. Loader. Class loader. System get property Java class path. Some property returns the whole class path. Jars and everything is path to running main class. Okay. Well, system get property java.class.path. So I kind of know what the class path's going to be, right? I mean, it doesn't. Think here. Because I almost have to. Because I don't know what. See, here's my big problem: is I don't know what the working directory is. Because I would think the class path would be. Or at least I would need to know the installation directory, which I guess on Linux would be you're not given the option to change it, so I guess it wouldn't matter. I would always know it there. But on Windows, you get the option to change it, so I don't know how I would know what the class path is there, or where it's installed at, so that I know where to run that stuff. Hey Mecca, welcome. So where I guess I'd have to. I don't know. How would I know? The installation directory. This would be a problem with JPackager though. So JPackager, determine install path. Package my Java app using JPackage. When I install it with the package installer, directory after the installation is always. How do I change it? Answer. Installation directory itself as an argument to the jar file. Here we go. The argument is the installation directory itself. I can't modify a jar file or show person of interest. There you go. Requires an argument to be passed to it at runtime. This installation directory itself. I can't modify a jar file or any Java code. Only the argument to be passed to it in JPackage. Call the jar file through that. MSI installer with the WinDirt user. The installation directory could be anything, so I don't know what to pass in arguments. Calls the middleman jar, which in turn calls a file jar with a needed argument. Work out the installation of directory of JPackage using system get property JPackage app path. Okay, I didn't know that was a property that got set. However, as you are unable to change the code of the jar, you can achieve the same result by defining fixed command line argument to your jar's main class by using arguments parameter or arguments property in the launcher, which references a special JPackage variable appdir. The value of appdir variable is expanded at launch time, so will be filled in by the actual installation directory path to the app folder. There are 3 ways to hardwire the arguments to generate exe. Path to your jar with a config file. Use a parameters use at config file. JPackage add launcher. Name properties containing arguments app directory. Your launcher definitions config should contain something like that. The jar must be packaged somewhere into the release structure, such as with some directory. Now use the new main class or replace your wrapper. Run exe with any command line args will replace the hardwire argument. So if this system property works, that would be good. I wonder, let me do this. JPackage app path it is. I didn't even think that, I didn't even know that was a thing, but let's see if that actually works. We'll do that in the launcher here. Say string of installed directory equals system.get property. But so okay. What's good here is I can make that this guy. Actually installed. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. Let's grab that and put that up here. say installer there. We can see what comes back, if anything. All right, so let's do sudo d package purge Magenta breeze go. Clean, verify. See if this helps or not. Okay. All right, so that. So, targets, pieces, assemble, breeze, package. All right. Sudo d package -I, Magenta breeze, boom. Oops, breeze. That says bin. Okay, that property is actually set. All right. But it's set to the bin directory. Huh. Okay. I mean, if it's always going to be there, which probably is true. Is that true? I mean, would that be true on Windows, I guess, is the question. Because I think it still creates the same directory structure. Yeah, I think it does create the same directory structure regardless of what platform you're on. It's just there'll be an exe in there instead of a shell script. Well, actually, it's not even a shell script that's in there. There's an elf binary in there right now. So, yeah, okay. But, supposing that that's a thing. So, what is this? What was this called? JPackage app path. So, let me see if I can find that on interwebs. My custom class path and binaries folder for JPackage executables. Define custom class path. This config file. App directory is removed. Trying to get okay. If you're willing to use modules, the problem is so easy to deal with, but it means you won't be using the class path anymore. To add JPackage, but with modules in mind, it works better. Yeah, but you still need a class path. Even with modules, you still need a class path because you need to be able to put files on there to be able to see them. Variable expansion. Sure, but that's not really what I was asking. Install Java program directory structure. App folder. Doesn't work anymore because the new root directory is buried the res folder under the app folder. Yeah. Already built. Just check both direct. Okay. JPackage. JPackage command. Resource directory. Package resource directory. Launcher name PNG. Launcher name desktop. Yeah. Launcher name service. So really, I could have did what I was doing, which was just having the one resource directory. Just dump everything in there. But whatever. I've farmed it out anyway. Where's the icon? I guess I have to do the dash icon to get the application icon in there. That's fine, I guess. But what I'm looking for is application package. Opening. Really a thing. Expose the app.dir variable. Applications that use JPackage. Oh, this is a Jira ticket. When was this fixed? It was resolved in 2019. Okay. It's like 2014 doesn't make any sense. Oh, there's a root.dir. I wish they would document this crap. I shouldn't have to look at a Jira ticket to get your damn documentation. Root.dir. That name. General, can root.dir refer to user with app name with everything except the executables in that tree? File, name, Enter. The existing Jerry home is actually the bin directory in the runtime. There's no reason to expose that for use in arguments since the application can always use system get property Java home. Retain only root directory, app directory, and bin directory, and will only publicly describe app directory. Package directory, launcher directory. Jerry home is runtime on Linux and Windows. Cache directory. They're only expanded when used in Java options, not when used in arguments. Oh, they only expand these in the Java options thing, but not in the arguments thing. But the Java options are... So that's the JDK option. So I guess I mean, that would be fine because I could just set a property for myself. Okay. So I mean, I can also work my way back out of that directory there, but it seems weird. So if I go Java options, so if I say, so the class path I'm given is not right anyway, but if I were to do, how's this going to work? I gotta put it in quotes, I guess? Well, let's see. Let's try it. Directory. Lib. Runtime. Lib runtime. Lib. Lib. Runtime lib. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we can try it. Why not? Undocumented things. Yay. CD package purge to freeze. All right. Not too far. And clean verify. Oh, let's see. Let's see. I could, before I install, I could probably check the assembly folder, see what it put there, right? So target releases assemble. See, it's work folder here. Inputs, files. Okay, never mind. Time image. That's not working there. Yeah, whatever. The package I didn't make changes to pull that in though, but let me just see. I can look under lib, I think, and then app. General options, root directory, app runtime. Okay, didn't expand it. Didn't expand it. It did say it needed quotes though for some things, but I don't know if it. Let me try the app directory first, because we know that that one is the one that they're documenting. I don't know if they've I don't know if the other ones they've actually removed at some point. Right. Over here, do app directory // I don't think it's gonna work, but you know, let's see what happens here. It might work. Stranger things have happened. It would help if I spelled verify right. If it doesn't expand this, then I know I probably need to put single quotes around it. Okay. No, it didn't expand that either. Okay. All right. Okay, so if I do... Will it let me do this with a string here? Options of past to Java runtime. That's all it says. Okay. Do that and see if it's okay with it. Okay. I mean, I guess they did say Java Home would point to the one directory, so it probably would be closer to just take that and then end on to it the class path. But let's see what we got here, if this works. No, it still doesn't see that. I see it does pass the app version there, at least. So there's that. But that's the problem. If I can't set the class path, then this is not going to work. Like, I need to be able to set the class path there. So how do I get that? Class path. Module path. Environment. What is this? When not explicitly set, the value of the following properties may be resolved from environment variable or system property shown in a table. System property takes precedence over the environment variable. Java archive name active. Name templates. Following names are related to the current build. Base output directory. Output directory. Environment. All environment variables are accessible with the environment prefix. Okay. Ready to project. Sure. Model platform release. Milestone. Changelog distribution. Distribution name. Artifacts. Image. These are all to use. GitHub, Flatpak, LinkedIn. That's helping me. So this is their thing that they do. Screenshots, icons, tags, release. Let's assemble. Active always, formats. Main jar. Link. Target JDKs. Main jar, jars, J package. Oh, you can set icon under there. In the resource directory separately. Huh. Okay, maybe that's what why it wasn't working there. Native image, release or native. Distributions, no, this has so much stuff in it that's not actually helpful. Last clip. Sure. Please. Why? I can't think of it. There's This is what kills me here. It's so assemble J package. Options build an additional alternative launcher. Main application launcher will be built from the command line options. Can be built using this option. This option can be used multiple times to build multiple additional launchers. Okay. Name of launcher in a path of properties file that contains a list of key value pairs. Yeah, it's not going to help though. I just need to I need the class path to be there, right? Otherwise, it like stuff like SL4J and whatnot does not know where to find things. Not great. Is there a way to specify the class path? No, there isn't. JPackager class path. That's Java packager. That's the old one. JPackage executables. Oh wait, it creates a config file with that in there, which is what you so is it actually working then? Wait a minute. I guess I should just run it and see if it knows what's going on there. So, I mean, this is still, that's looking at the system property. So for J is still not finding anything. How can I tell what command it actually ran? I guess After, so they had CP after config. My app jar. Oh, do they have the actual? Java library path. I wonder. Well, he's got but he's got the whole folder there, and then no, he's got the config folder there. He has the jars individually, which is going to suck if I have to replicate all the jars on there. Because as soon as I add a jar, it's going to have to be like in 3 different places here. Arc. I don't. Not a fan. And also the path separator is different. For both of those. I wonder Java command line class path wildcard. Does it take wildcards? And multiple jars. Class path entries can contain the base name wildcard character, which is considered equivalent to specifying list of all the files in the directory, extension jar or jar. Specifies all jar files in the directory. Who? Okay. Okay. I'm glad that's a thing. Let's see if that actually works. You know what? I guess I could probably, because if it's looking at that config file, I bet I can just modify the config file here. Sudo by. So if I just did template star. It says no providers were found. Application Java options. Let me try something. Freeze config. If I do, let me just. What happens if I do root directory and I just say that. Does that actually work? No, it doesn't look like it does. Okay. Try the full path. Let's see here. Now it sees SLF4J, right? No class def found. JavaX naming. Naming exception. Naming exception. That definitely kick something in though. Runtime lib. I have a feeling it has something to do with having the modules. Because I guess you would need those things on the module path. I wonder. But I also wonder why it's not finding it. Like, SLF4J is not finding it on the module path. Like, do I have to do something else here? Did you know complex kernel mode rootkit can disable subsystems through compromised applets? Yeah, that's why nobody uses applets anymore. And this isn't an applet. This is a full application. But yeah, I mean that's one of the reasons. That's one of the big reasons why Apple kicked applets to the curb, and then everyone sort of followed suit. There was just a fundamental issue like that going on, and even Oracle just dropped. Rather than even trying to fix applets, they just dropped support for them altogether. Which in the long run was probably a good decision, because it led to them doing things like this, which is getting you be able to compile a desktop app, with a watered down Java version and all that stuff. Yeah. So, kind of stuck because I don't know. I mean, if I put let me see, SLF or J. Service provider module not found. No providers were found. Provide concrete Java, yes. Yeah. It's blogging. I understand that. So for J. Reload. Adding a new dependency. The problem was fixed by adding exclude. No. How about log back module? Architecture, vendors and layouts, named hierarchy. Log back not detected by SLF or J in Java modular application. Here we go. Log back in a Java 9 modular application not working. Here we go. Adding log back to the module path and using the bind services option. This module relies to use the service loader mechanism. This module has to declares a service both. Okay. So for J service provider. I declare a runtime dependency to log back, and my module descriptor only contains a requires clause to SLF for J. The module contains a main class that logs a statement to further. It contains a logback. So, okay. Must be added explicitly to the runtime image via J-Link bind services option because it is a service implementation. Additionally, logback and its dependencies must be available on the module path. Okay. So log back. So J-Link bind services. Wait a minute. J-Link output module path with jars. Bind services. So I figured out in the end I just added logback as a dependency in my module info Java. Okay, I mean that's target each jar manually for just choosing JavaFX. I mean I could do this too. Buying services thing though sounds interesting. So where is the where's the thing for that? So J link platform executable image name, module names, target JKs, args. Do I just maybe I just give it as args? Copy jars. Java group ID. Effects files, file sets. Yeah, I guess I just give it as a. The build arguments defaults are shown. No header files, no man pages. The compress zip9 strip debug. This is for J-Link, right? That's what they're saying here. Yeah, okay, so bind services. So I need all this stuff. Args, okay, under JDeps. Guess I'll put it here. Args. Oops, one more. Go. And services. I mean, that's what they said here, right? Bind services. So then. Oh, I need to get rid of that. I didn't. Yeah, I guess we can get rid of the class path here. Well, I can leave that the way that is for now, because it's going to be wrong anyway. So D package purge that one. And then clean verify. Where's this at? Bind service. Oh, at the end of the bind services. There we go. Try that again. Okay, so it doesn't seem like it liked that too much. Command execution error. So maybe bind services is not the. Oops. Oh, wait a minute. Let's trace log. Nice with the error. Yeah, J-Link doesn't like the bind services. So let's see. J-Link help. Okay, compress, module path. Suggest providers. Is it not J package? Module path. I guess not. So that doesn't, if it used to exist, it doesn't exist anymore. I guess I'll just add it to the required modules because it is really technically required even though I don't use it. Yeah, in newer logback versions it should be requires logback.classic. Okay. Alright, we'll do that. So let me go in here, get rid of this. So those are defaulted. And all right, save this and then module info, say requires this has the full thing. They said it should only say logback.classic. That was in 2021. Let me see here. I do logback.classic. Yeah, see, it doesn't see that. This is going to be another one of those damn things where it can't find stuff. Logback classic. What does it say? Visible only is modular, non-modifiable. Core. I have a feeling it's going to be another one of those where it doesn't work in Eclipse, but it works elsewhere. Let's do that. And clean, verify. Well, it compiled, which is from the command line, which is good at least. Okay, target releases symbol debris J package. Okay. Class stuff found. Buyback Classic. And Model Handler Associations. Logger Factory. Get logger unknown source. Launcher. Naming exception. Java base. So whenever I'm using my logging statement, it can't find. I can't find the class. For some reason. It's doing get logger. Do I have to do something different when I'm in a module? I have to use some other thing? I mean, I shouldn't. It shouldn't have to. Shouldn't have to jump through any hoops there for that. Yes, the other thing is they have open module just there. With the exports. I don't know if that'll make any difference, but let's just try it and make sure. I don't know that much about the module stuff, so I'm kind of learning it as we go here. So eliminate anything that is potential problem. Yeah, not making a whole lot of progress here, unfortunately. Everything is kind of like, it's just plenty. I mean, it's important that this work. So it's like purposely doing this now so I don't do any more coding until I'm sure that this stuff is going to actually run correctly and work correctly when it comes through the launcher. Otherwise, you know, I'm going to have to redo, I'm going to have to just rethink how I'm going to do it altogether. So that's why I'm taking all this time to do this, to try to get this working. Target releases symbol. No. JavaX naming exception. Yeah, I know what that's doing, but let me just do this. With a... Compound will need to import package JavaX naming. JavaX API. Do I need that? I guess I need that because I'm bringing in Logback Classic now. Requires. Listen, no, there is no JavaX anymore though. Is there? Back Java module name exception. Let's see, have here JavaFX graphics, checks and annotations. Log back module name. Java 9 module name. JavaFX. Okay. That's not it. Requires static. No, that's just another general question. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I think I know what's going on here. I just had a thought. I wonder if it's because I made launcher private. doing. I don't. I'm not sure if that would. I don't know why that would be the problem. I should still be able to refer to the class. Let's do this. Let's get rid of that. And just let it be instantiated normally and see what happens there. I have a feeling maybe that was what was causing the problem. Maybe. I'm doing something because I'm doing something weird that I've never really done before. So it's possible that with the combination of that and the reflection subsystem that I was just kind of just screwing over log back. Spell it right. KG, there we go. And push to out. Freeze. No, it's still unhappy. I mean, it's saying no class def found on naming exception. JavaX naming exception. What is the module for that? Naming exception. I mean, it's possible. I mean, it's also quite possible that the bogus class path thing I'm giving it is doing that too. You know what? Let's put the class path thing away here. Let's just get rid of that. See what happens. Because it's possible it's trying to look up the Markback XML file and not finding it, but I'm not sure here. No, it's having a problem. Somehow it's throwing a naming exception. It's trying to. But this JavaX naming exception. How do I, yeah, what is the module name for that? Package, no, JavaX. Java 9 module. Java 9 modules. Back modules. Okay, what's the JP MX? JPME. Is it? I don't know. Module. JPMS. Okay. That's not what I'm looking for. Clips can't. Clips doesn't know what it is. Yeah, Eclipse has no idea what JavaX naming is, because I think they, but it should be in the base. How about Java naming? Let's try that. Damn it. There we go. Okay. Oh, we're getting log messages now. How about that? File not found, exception. Okay. Can I find resource logback? Use pattern for active file. Call failed. No such file or directory logs. Okay, fine. Expression will be used. Is it? But I didn't call it Magenta Breeze Launcher though. Did I think it didn't. So my guess is it's doing its default configuration because it didn't find a logback XML file because it's putting all the logs on the console here too. But that said, this is running. It didn't create anything, did it? No. Okay, I mean that sucks, but it is what it is. It's logback's working for a little bit here. But that said, I mean, if I go, let's go try this now. App Novi Breeze, and then I say oops, Magenta Breeze runtime lib star. Just not sure call failed. No such file. Custom configures were discovered as a service. All right, what happens if I How happens if I take that out of there altogether? Same problem. It doesn't find anything. Oh, this is going to be such a pain in the ass trying to get stuff to work here. That should just plain work. Oh wait, found resource logback XML at Magenta Breeze logback XML. So I did find my logback XML. Yeah, because it's setting all the stuff to rolling and all that stuff. Okay. Okay. So it did find that. It found it as part of... So the stuff that was in the jar file does come through then. So I don't need that file to come through. I don't need to include it separately, it looks like. So it did find it inside the jar, and it's just... Okay. So it did... So, okay. So that's working for the most part, although it's dumping everything out to the console because it can't write the log file because I don't have... It doesn't have permission to write the logs folder. Yeah, I can't create the parent directory for it. Most likely because it doesn't have permissions because everything's going in as root. I wonder, I think it required super user privileges to run the package install. So if I did sudo Magenta Breeze, now it wrote the log file, right? Okay, which is fine, but I would really like to not have to require you to run it as a super user. I especially don't want it to run as a super user, so I could help that. But here's the log file now. And there's my log message. Okay. Okay. So that part is working. That part is working. So do I not need... So then, if all it comes down to is I need to put resources inside the jar file. Okay, well that's... Sure, okay. Fine. Which there's not much I need in there. I can work with that. That's easy. But I need... So that... So I can take that configuration back out again. I can take the class path configuration out. I still need to know what directory I'm in, which we can at least get the one launcher thing. So there's that. So I at least know where I'm launching from, theoretically. Although if I did, yeah. Yeah, if I just rolled up one directory and then back down again, I could find stuff, I guess. Which is not, it's not the greatest, but it's not the end of the world either, per se. But I don't know, what I'm not sure about is how do I get it to... How do I get it to run per user? Because when you do an install, it's going to install, it requires root privileges to do it. If I'm not mistaken, let me see something here. Pop the sudo d package purge. It's not empty, so not removed. It's still got logs in there. Okay. So if I went to target releases, symbol, I just do dpackage minus I, requires super user privilege. Okay, that's another thing I'll have to dig into because I would like to, so you can do it as a, I mean, it might be because of where I'm putting it too. Like it's under opt, it's going to have super user privileges. So it might just be a consequence of that. Okay. One way or the other, we'll have to put a pin in this and come back to it because it's getting late and I've got work tomorrow that I gotta do. All right, my friends. That's gonna do it for tonight. Tomorrow night, I forgot to put the schedule up today. I was doing everything. I was getting stuff ready for the YouTube channel for a change. But I'll get the schedule up. I'll post it on Twitter and stuff. It's so basically a relatively normal schedule as far as I know. So it'll be tomorrow night and Wednesday night we'll be back in Horizon Forbidden West. And then Thursday night, we're just going to do some MMO Thursday stuff. I'm just going to pick an MMO, whichever one I want, or some kind of multiplayer game, whatever I want, and play that. And Friday night we'll be back with some coding here, and we'll be back trying to get this installer stuff working the way I want, get the icons working the way I want, and figure out the I'll do some Googling around because it's stuck in my head now. Do some Googling around to see if I can figure out if there is such a thing as having a deb package that does not require super user privileges. And I suspect it's going to probably require me to customize the pre-install script and stuff like that, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, my friends, let's see. Is there anybody live on Twitch right now I could potentially send you folks over to? Let's see. No, I don't see anybody. All right, so I'm going to let you guys go and disperse on your own. And I'm going to say thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope everyone has an excellent morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what it is for you. And hope to see you back here again in the future for some more stuff, whatever happens to suit your fancy. Until then, see you, bye.
I suppose by the transit of property, I too must be Vulcan as a motherfucker.